Hello there, how are you doing? In this video, I wanna show you how to create a sensible image portfolio gallery when hover over an image like this. To do this, you don't need a single line of coding. I am showing you to do this with Elementor free version. So without further ado, let's get started. This sensible image gallery feature provided by Image Hover Effects plugin. This plugin produced by Oxylab. First of all, we need to install this plugin. So go to the plugin menu, click on Add New, search Image Hover Effect Ultimate. This is the plugin which we have needed. Click on Install Now, then Active. We don't need those options, so simply skip this area. Click on the image hover option. This is the feature under this plugin. We need this option to properly done our work. There are many effects under this general effect option. So we use this effect to do our work. Simply click on create a style, select the layout and put the name of this style. Then save. You have to type here a name. Then click on edit. We don't need this title and short description. That's why I have removed this. We have to select our images. I have select here some random image. We have successfully complete. We are clone this image for multiple times. I have cloned this image 3 times and then we'll change those images. After done all of this work, we have customized this to give a much better look. We have set this section 3 column. If you need more, you simply do this. Then give the 100% of width and 100% of height. It's look much better right now. Save the work. Now if we see our previous work, we have to click on shortcode option. We have need multiple section like this. We have to clone this nature section to do the work firstly. Type here a name. For example, I am typing here food. Then change this image like the first one. So I have fast forward this video for save our time. Okay, we have done our plugin work properly. Now we need to create a page to show our output. So click on page, then all page, add new. I am set this page name portfolio. Select a single column structure. Make the content width to full width and make the height to 80 VS. Then take a single column inner section. Then search here tab widget. Drag and drop this tab widget in this section. Let's customize this section widget. To do this, first of all, we need to go our image hover plugin. Then shortcut, and now we customize our widget. Make the first option name is all. Then second option name is nature. Third option name is food, and last one name is worker. This is the main part of this tutorial. Let me explain how it works. We are creating different type of section and we have to show this three different type of section show me in one area. This is one like of filter. Then when click on nature item, the specific image show me whose that I am selection in image hover plugin. The another two item food and worker done in the same category. Actually, we have show this plugin section in here by using shortcut. All of this section shortcut type all item option. Because of when I click on all items under tab widgets, the whole photo show me in same area. After done this, we have to put the specific shortcut in the specific items. Now we have to update our work. Actually, this interface look like out. Let's customize this section. First of all, make a background color to black. Then edit this section and make this item to center. Remove the border width. It's look like pretty cool. You will customize this as your wish in the next time. I will update my work and show the page preview. Awesome. When I hover over on any image, this image has changed and also the filter work properly. So guys, how was the video? Comment me and what should I do next. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.